Aloha, welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode coming up. We got Appies with Chappie by the lake. That lake there, that's Lake Okanagan. But first we're going to get a little takeout and bring it back to my tiki bar in Calgary. So check it out. Alright, for my takeout I actually made it all the way out to Regina, Saskatchewan. This is Trifon's family restaurant. I wanted to blur out the license plate on that car, but it was covered in mud, so he saved me the trouble. A little sketchy. I guess he was on his way to rob a bank after this. But amazing restaurant, and the lasagna was just unbelievable. Baked lasagna. You can't go wrong with that. So if you're ever in Regina, Saskatchewan, first of all, I'm really sorry about that. But go to Trifon's family restaurant. Get the baked lasagna. Regina, the city that rhymes with fun. Coming up next on Appies with Chappie by the Lake, I'm going to make some empanadas from wonton wrappers. Alright, these are my empanadas made from wonton wrappers. So I just have a little bit of leftover taco meat from taco night. We had a Taco Tuesday. So we got taco meat, and I'm gonna add some golden raisins. If you like raisins in your empanadas, add it. If not, that's okay too. I think we'll go 4 golden raisins, just because I like raisins in my empanadas. And that is an empanada from leftover tacos using a wonton wrapper. Now we're gonna shallow fry them. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappie by the Lake. Today I have empanadas made from wonton wrappers. So we'll do a quick drink to go with our appetizer. This is called a Cookie Monster. Reminds me, I used to have these fuzzy blue shoes. I used to tell my 3-year-old niece I accidentally hit the Cookie Monster driving in my car on Deerfoot Trail, and I made some shoes out of them. She didn't seem to mind. I don't think she liked the Cookie Monster. Anyways, real super easy drink. I just have a short glass, and it's 1 ounce of blue Hawaiian Maui Schnapps, and we're just going to finish that off with some pineapple juice. And that is a Cookie Monster. All right, thanks for joining me on Appies with Chappie by the Lake. I guess that concludes our episode today. So make sure you hit that notification bell. We got a new episode every Friday. This is Chappie saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.